Hi friends, this is your very own Sanjana and you're watching me on my channel on YouTube. Hi friends, I'm going to be sharing my very own personal makeup secrets with all of you out here on my blog. Acting is a whole lot of 10,000 million things combined. And I'm sure it's going to be very precious for you all, because you're going to be knowing the makeup secrets of actors, which all of you, especially the youth, really looks forward to. And to accompany us today, I have my very dear close friend Sherin Khan, who's a cosmetologist. We are out here in Jubilee Hills in her salon, Just of India, Jubilee Hills Road number 5, and I'm going to ask her to take over from now on. And I'm just done with a foundation base followed by a nice compact. So now on, I think Sharon's going to continue the makeup.
Okay, to start with, number one, she has a very clean, fresh face. All we're going to do is highlight her features. We're going with a very simple look, a very fresh face. So that's what we are doing with the first look here. So as you can see, I've put in a very shimmery, pale pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to follow it up with some nice kajal. The kajal will also go a little, it's going to be a darker blue, because what happens is when you have darker eyes, you don't need to really go with black. You can also go with blues, you can go with greens. It will really complement your skin and the dark eyes. So I'm just going to use a really dark blue, which is almost black, as you can see. Can you open your eyes? You see how it is still opening up her eyes a little more and not really making it look more smaller.
Mascara is my most favorite among all the makeup products, because I think mascara is something, if there's just one thing that I have to choose to apply on my face, I would definitely choose only mascara, because mascara really enhances the entire face. And this tip is given to me by Sherin Khan. I have learned how to apply mascara from her.
No, because I personally love mascara myself, and I think it's the best thing a woman can have. Just kajal and mascara, and I think it just completes your look.
And for people who have a kajal smudging problem, you can just go only with mascara as well. It gives you beautiful finishing, but you have to apply mascara very intensely, just the way how Sharon is applying it to me right now. I have really extremely sensitive eyes. Makeup doesn't suit me at all. So for makeup to suit me, I really have to use a lot of Refresh Tears. Not only when I'm wearing makeup, but even when I'm not wearing makeup on a daily regime basis, I use a lot of Refresh Tears. Refresh Tears is a kind of eye drops which is available in the closest medical stores, and it's very healthy. Like, you don't need a medical prescription for it. It's just for glowing eyes. It's more like a beauty product.
And all the products I use are Kryolan, Max Factor, we have MAC, we have Kristen Dior, we have Makeup Forever. We have the best of products we use, because I have a lot of celebrity clients, and we make sure we give them the best. And so these are the products I use. And so whoever is coming in, they know that what actresses use actually for their skin. They really take good care of their skin with good products.